Hello guys and welcome back. The Mazda MX-5 RF 2019, it's right here in front of me. It is also a beautiful car, the Sport Cabrio, a convertible car from Mazda. It is really beautiful. It has a great aerodynamic, also 160 horsepower, beautiful rims, a very light car, only 1150 kilograms, and it has a great consumption, 17-inch wheels right here, great technology. Also here on the hood we have the blinker, nice design, round design all over the car. Here we have the mirror, black, simple, no blinker there. Also you can see it from the inside. It's big and nice. Now here are the handle, um, quite simple and also with a beautiful aerodynamic. The interior of the car, we will go there a little bit later. It also very nice, the center console, the dashboard, the seats are nice and sporty, and here are convertible roof. I will also show you a little bit later how this roof can go down. Now look at the design in the back. I like the way they designed the back of the car. It's quite interesting, how the aerodynamic of the car come here. Here we have the radio antenna, also some plastic here to protect the paint from water chips, stones, LED light in the back, two exhaust pipe down there. Here we have some rear light down here, bulb. Here we have the LED light, um, with the backlight. You can also see it there in the middle. Skyactiv technology engine, one of the best on the market. It's also regenerate the energy in the battery when you brake or you go downhill. MX-5 logo here in the back, and also if you are from Switzerland you can come at Belvag in Bern. They have great cars, great discounts, and also they are willing to help you, um, to make the best choice if you want to buy a car. Also they have a website, you can see it there on the windows. Anyway, now let's talk about the car. Now down here we have um, normal bulb light, yellow light on the number plate. um, if we choose here, let's open the door and let's show you something. I want to close the light first time and let's show you the door. So the doors are really interesting, how they chose to put this black glossy plastic all over here, and it looks so nice. It's reflect the light in the night, look fantastic. And also in the daytime, here we have the window that doesn't have any edge, any frame. Also leather on the doors, quality leather with red stitches, beautiful. As you touch it, also the buttons are here, great quality as well. Very nice speaker down the door, it's made very nice, very good quality. Also the entrance in the car, it's really big and easy to enter in there. We have some plastic here to protect the car. Also nice beautiful seat with side support. It's not leather but it's great quality. These fabric materials are really good, really great quality. As you see, you have side support for a sporty car like that. You need that side support. Now down here we have some buttons for some technology. The vents are here on the dashboard, uh, really beautiful and useful. and also black glossy around it. The steering wheel, it's leather, great quality, great grip. Also, you can see here RSS, um, airbag, chrome. Here are the buttons for infotainment, for the cockpit information. I will show you a little bit later. All you need to know. Here we have this window in the back, and also a space there where you can put some stuff. Also here we have some space from some storage for your things. It's kind of cool that you have this storage there. Also two cup holders here, uh, really interesting, and they look very nice. The center arm rest here also with a big space there in the middle of the center console. I will show you in a moment. Now here we have a speaker on the A pillar, in great quality here and up as well. Here we have some plastic with mirror, you can see for yourself. Also the light here, bulb light here in the middle. Also I want to say sorry for the video quality today. In this video I use my smartphone. So on my smartphone I didn't have more battery to my camera, so I have to use the smartphone for this video. So sorry guys for the quality of the video, but my next video will be much better, high quality. But I'm just telling you, a lot of space on my legs, and even in this car you feel so sporty that you have to drive with your legs almost straight. So you definitely feel like you are in a Formula One race car when you drive this car. You have a low position, and the car have great handlings, and you really feel like you're in a sporty car. Also the infotainment system here in the middle, it's amazing. I will show you later. You have on the all new Mazdas a big space for your legs down here, pretty cool. Also we have the manually handbrake with leather red stitches around it, really cool. And here we have the controls for the infotainment system. The gear shifter look fantastic, one of the most beautiful I ever seen in the cars. It's small and it has leather red stitches. The key, also great key, you have on the all new Mazdas the same key, really beautiful. Also two USB port, very helpful. A big space for your phone. Here you have the button for the roof. From here you open the roof. I will show you later how it's the car with an open roof. The blinker, the vents, black glossy around the vents, quite nice. And the dashboard, clean, beautiful, nice design. In my opinion, it's very nice. Also, start stop button. So I want to show you a little bit of this navigation system, infotainment system. You can use it as well as touchscreen, but you can use this command. That's very useful and very cool. This command is very easy to use, the same like on the Audi A3. So you can see here, I can use it with the touchscreen, but it's a little bit more inconvenient when you use your finger. So you just better with this controller. So it's very simple, it's nothing complicated. You have this infotainment system in the newest auto, great brightness. The color of the display, it's fantastic, great colors. It's very good contrast, and it's very responsive. Great hardware, great software behind this system. The navigation work fast. You can load here in a in I think in 1 second it's loading when you choose a destination. So I like this this infotainment system, one of the best in the market. um, Now also the cockpit, I will show you in a second now. The cockpit, it's also great. In the left side there we have a digital display. You can see all the information, also great quality, great contrast, great resolution on the display there. It's really beautiful. You can see all the information about the car, the kilometer, the consumption, um, the different settings, the temperature, the gasoline tank. Also in the middle and the right we have the turometer. Here the navigation, like I showed you before, it's also really great and fast when you charge it. So it's kind of my favorite. It's really great visibility from the driver point of view. You can see perfect the cockpit and the infotainment system. Also inside the car, it's great quality. Everything's feel great. Everything looks nice. It is a small car. You can park it everywhere, and it will attract the eyes of the people wherever you are. So if you want a sport car, a budget sport car, beautiful with a lot of great system, with great comfort and nice, great economy, consumption, and great aerodynamic. You don't have money for a Porsche or other very expensive cars. This Mazda MX-5 RF, it's the perfect car for you. It is really beautiful. It's sporty. He do his job, what it's supposed to do in the summer. It's a fantastic car. It's a really great car for summer, and it's a budget car. I will show you later the price and the information. Also, a very strong car and very fast as well. Now, if you want to see the engine, I will try to show you right now. I have to find this stick here. I'm not sure where is it. Yes, I think I find it. One second, guys. Sorry about that. I should cut the video here. But here is the engine. Skyactiv technology. Great engine. You find it on the other cars too, like Mazda 6, Mazda 3. You also have regenerate energy in the battery, and then the battery can use the energy later for the electronics in the car. So it is a really great engine. um, I like it very much, and it's also quiet, and it's drive very nice. Also you can see the lines of the car around there. The car look really nice. um, it is a nice design. Even in the back here, it is a very beautiful design. Here you can see um, how the car look with the roof down. It's way down the roof right now. I put it down for you, and you can see it for yourself how the car look with the roof down. So you can feel the nature, you can feel the wind. Very cool, but in the same time you are well protected there from the different insect that can come inside the car, because the roof space, open space there is not so big. So it's very well designed, well think, and also for great aerodynamic. They did it so round. The car, it's round, and it's nice. Anyway, leave me your feedback, guys. Tell me what you think about this car. Sorry again about the video quality. I'm from my smartphone. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Here are some info about the car. You can see 2-liter engine. There are some information. The price 29,700. The budget sports car, Euro 6, the newest um, engine, and emission. It's very low and great quality. So again, please subscribe to my channel if you want to see the newest car on the market. Please like, share with your friend, and I hope you enjoy it. You can leave me your feedbacks. You can comment to my video and tell me what you like and what you don't like. I really appreciate all your feedbacks. Um, Please check out my other videos with the newest car. If you like Mazda, you can see I have on my channel the new Mazda 3, Mazda 6, and also the SUV. And thank you very much for watching my channel. Here I will show you shortly how the roof goes down, and I thank you very much for watching my channel. I wait you back soon, and stay safe, drive safe, and take the best decision. So thank you again. See you guys. Bye.